excitement and the mini controversy in the Royal Navy contender last night as Tetsi Lightso Davis got a split decision win over the Canadian Dave LeBlanc. And then the Jamaican crowd booed the decision and booed Tetsi Davis. Me said Tetsi win the fight. Tetsi won 3 rounds and the Canadian won 2 rounds. For sure, the Canadian was busy, but Tetsi landed cleaner punches. And the Canadian is a young and strong and him have a good chin. But for my money, dislocated shoulder and all, Tetsi Davis won the fight fairly and squarely. And look, we all agree that it was a close fight that could have gone either way. Then in that context, how in God's name can a close fight that could have gone either way goes to the hometown favorite on a split decision and the home crowd booed the decision? Jamaica is the only place in the world where we sink and sell our own like that. And we understand people getting tired of Tetsi and want to see this young Canadian fighter some more and blah, blah, blah. But I think this is something deeper than that. Because on at least 3 previous occasions in the contender series, I remember Bumpy Beckford and Busboy Hilton twice. These hometown fighters got close decisions and them get booed by them own Jamaican crowd. This to me is a sick kind of self-righteousness intertwined with an inner self-hate. But yo, I don't know why me beat up my gum. Yes, because we all know Jamaica and we all know Jamaicans. This is Jamaica, the land of Jadko. And also Jamaica, the land of Marcus Garvey. You said me one long time, Tetsi win the fight.